Dirt biking is surely fun, but it is important to stay protected while you are dirt bike riding and enjoying yourself. That is why we are here to talk about the best dirt bike helmet that will surely keep you protected. Afterward, take a look at our comprehensive buying guide that will make the purchase decision much easier for you. Number 1, most popular. Shoei VFX-EVO Helmet Matte Black L. VFX-EVO from Shoei combines an enhanced level of protection of critical areas with a new motocross helmet. The lightest motocross helmets from Arai are one of the best on the market because of their unique design and quality compared to most brands. They provide significant impact absorption to keep riders safe. A high-tech motion energy distribution system, MEDS, is designed to disperse energy from low-speed linear and rotational impact so that the rider's head is protected at all times during an accident. In case there were to be an accident, the EPS liner material throughout the chin bar would further safeguard you by providing impact absorption. Number 2. Fox Racing powersports-Helmets V3 RS Wired Helmet. The Fox Racing V3 from Fox Racing is perfect for the younger dirt bike enthusiasts who want to feel safe but also want to be stylish with their motocross helmets. Fox Design is renowned for not only making mountain gear and apparel but also producing the safest helmets that have never let anyone down. Designed and tested to protect against the nastiest kind of impact, this V3 protects you above everything else. The smartly designed visor is designed to not harm you in the event of an accident. The full-face helmet features lightweight construction, 4 inner EPS liner sizes for a custom fit and protection from multiple impacts. Number 3. Alpinestars 830031911300 Carbon Black, Medium. Alpinestars SuperTech M10 motorcycle helmet, which is undoubtedly the best dirt bike helmet on the market at the moment, won't break the bank either. The lightweight shell and compact design make it a user-friendly product for all types of riders, while the soft-filled clavicle zones reduce clavicle injuries for riders wearing neck braces. It's a solid, sturdy helmet. The inside of the helmet is lined with multi-density EPS, which displaces the impact energy reasonably well, at least during our testing. Due to its 4 sizes, choosing the right dirt bike helmet is more convenient, and it ensures comfortable rides. Number 4. Arai VX Pro 4 Helmet Frost Black L. Arai's VX Pro 4 is the latest version of the Arai VX Pro 3 helmet, an extremely popular and widely used helmet all over the world. Besides MX helmet use, it can also be used for off-road biking, as well as on dirt bikes. If you are involved in any of these, you can choose this one helmet from Arai and make it useful for several occasions. The role of the reinforcement layer is carried out by the composite layer that makes sure the helmet does not get too heavy. The improved facial contour system, FCS, offers an adaptive fit and is supported by a foam spring that adjusts itself automatically as the helmet is worn or removed. Number 5. Troy Lee Designs 2020 SE4 Carbon Helmet. Take a look at one of the most stylish dirt bike helmets yet. This trendy Troy Lee Designs helmet also gives you ultimate protection as well as making sure that you enjoy your dirt bike ride. Other features of the product include 13% more EPS to provide maximum protection against rotational damage and failures of the safety equipment. Its incredibly lightweight nature makes sure it can be used with comfort by almost everyone. Thanks to the use of 4 shell sizes, this helmet will fit many different types of users. Featuring 21 exhaust vents so you can move more air and stay cool, the helmet is a master at making your head cool.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.